Okay guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you a strategy that we're using in the team, and of course this isn't financial advice, it's just what we're doing in the team purely for information purposes. The strategy that we're using is you'll be able to max out the amount of cards that you have specific to your level that you come into this. So the example that I'll be showing you is on the silver level, which is the level I'm on, and this is how you do it. So you first launch the game, and I'll walk you through. This will make sense. So specifically in the Swapit game, the strategy is as follows. So you have several pools. You have 6 pools in total, going from right to left, highest to lowest. You've got the 5 suited aces. You've got the 5 of aces. You've got the royal straight flush. You've got the straight flush, and you've got the 4 of a kind. So what you can do is that if you want to know what each one of these rules are for each game, you just come and click on pool, come and click on rules, and you just click through. So 5 suited aces would be 5 of a kind, 5 different aces, etc., etc. Okay, so the actual strategy, I'm going to click on pool, and I've already played my deck. You see here I don't have any cards open or left, and the strategy is as follows. So you start from the right, the 5 suited aces. So the 5 suited aces would be 5 aces of the same kind. So you start scanning from left to right or right to left for 5 aces that you can play in this. And if you cannot do this, then what you do is that you move then to the 5 of aces. Do I have 5 aces, 5 different aces that I can plug into this? No, I don't. Then I move on to the royal straight flush. Do I have any cards that I can play in the royal straight flush? No. Then I come to the straight flush. Do I have any cards that I can play in the straight flush? Yes. So as you see here, 3 swaps basically means I found, let me just quickly show you that. So I found basically 5 different cards that I could do to maximize this specific pool. So after I maximized that, I didn't have any cards left. I then moved down to the 4 of a kind. Do I have 4 of a kind that I can play? Scan through the remaining cards, place them in, 4 of a kind, and stop once I don't have any more 4 of a kind. And then come to the community. You see that I've played 25 swaps. And these were basically the cards that were left behind. So I hope that doesn't confuse you. It's a very simple strategy and a really effective one. You can get playing in here 5 to 10 minutes. And specifically, the main reason why you want to max out or start from right to left and not left to right is because these are the higher pools. Not many people can play in these higher pools. So that basically means you'll be getting more air tokens. And that is the game, and that's the strategy that we're using in the team. So I hope that helps, and what I'll do, I'll pop a link. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'll pop a link below this video where you can join our team. And once you join our team, get yourself a free account. I'll send you an invite to some strategy videos just like this, just to help you maximize your play in Swapit. So have a nice one, and I will see you guys in the next video.